Here is the 2014 to 2018 Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Okay, now for this job you will need a flathead screwdriver, one that looks like this. A thicker one is better, but even if you have a smaller one, that's okay. The goal is to get that panel off. You have to use the screwdriver to pry that panel off, get it off, and that's it. Once you do that, the battery is right there. To get the battery out, pry it off from the bottom edge, right where I'm doing it. That's it. The battery is going to pop off, and that's okay. If you do it from any other edge, you will probably have a hard time getting the battery out. So just do it the way I showed it. The battery is going to pop off. That's the negative side, and the positive side has the plus sign on it and all the battery details. So the battery size is CR2032. Again, CR2032. Get the new battery and put the battery in the way I'm showing, with the positive side facing upwards. Like all the numbering and everything should be facing upwards. And slide it in. Slide it under those two top clips like that. And once it's slid in, then sort of just push it forward and down. And then it's going to sit in place. Yep, that's good. Now let's put the panel back in. Just align it. Once everything is aligned, all we have to do now is just press it together. And that's it. That is looking good. Let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, that's good. Hope you found the video useful.